When designing the library feature for the configurable version of GraphPad, one of the key use cases I wanted to address was the estimation of the amount of scaffolding that it was needed to refurbish a building. And in that case, we're not really interested in counting the number of symbols, but what those symbols represent. And so I came up with the concept of components. And so, for example, this two-story scaffolding is composed of 4 crossbars, as you can see. It's got 4 footpads, and it's got 4 scaffold frames, 2 on top of each other. And so when we go to use that object, if we drop it onto the drawing, what we're going to see is that, yes, it does calculate that amount up, but we also have this concept of a legend, which is only going to show us the first instance. So what does a double complete scaffold, what does that represent? And so that actually represents 4 crossbars, 4 footpads, 4 scaffold frames. If we go and we drop in another unit, which we're going to add on to it, and we're going to tack this on, so we don't need to, we only need 2 scaffold frames, but we still need to have 4 crossbars and 2